Welcome to Supercar. You need to hear this if you're a fan of practical and affordable vehicles. The Dacia Dokker, a name that has been synonymous with practicality and affordability for years. It's a name that once upon a time struck fear into the hearts of plumbers and electricians everywhere. Not because it was intimidating, but because it was the go-to vehicle for those who needed a reliable workhorse. Alright, maybe not fear, it was more like a begrudging acceptance. The Dokker was the van you bought when you needed something that just worked, without any frills or fancy features. It was cheap, cheerful, and about as exciting as a damp sponge, but it was dependable, and for many, that was enough. But it did the job, then, it vanished. The Dokker disappeared from the market, leaving a void that many felt keenly. Dacia, in their infinite wisdom, decided the world didn't need a no-frills van anymore. They thought the market had moved on, that people wanted more luxurious, feature-packed vehicles. But they were wrong. Oh, so wrong. The demand for a simple, reliable, and affordable van never really went away. Fast forward to 2025, and there's a new Dokker on the block. A van that promises to bring back everything people loved about the original, but with a modern twist. Well, not quite on the block yet. It's more like a whisper, a rumor swirling around the internet. But those whispers are growing louder by the day. Enthusiasts and potential buyers are eagerly sharing snippets of information and teaser images. People are starting to remember what the Dokker was all about: honest, affordable transport. It was a vehicle that served its purpose without any unnecessary bells and whistles. And in a world increasingly obsessed with expensive, overcomplicated vehicles, that's a breath of fresh air. The Dokker represents a return to simplicity, to a time when vehicles were tools, not status symbols. The original Dokker, launched in 2012, was a simple beast. It was based on the Renault Kangoo platform, but with even fewer frills. It was a no-nonsense vehicle that got the job done. It was aimed squarely at the budget end of the market, and it sold like hotcakes. For a while anyway. But as the market evolved, the Dokker was left behind. Now imagine that same no-nonsense approach but with a modern twist. A van that combines the practicality and affordability of the original Dokker with the technology and style of today's vehicles. That's the promise of the 2025 Dokker, a vehicle that stays true to its roots while embracing the future. This time around, Dacia is promising more than just a cheap van. They're promising a vehicle that's stylish, practical, and packed with technology. A van that can compete with the best in the market but at a fraction of the price. They're promising a vehicle that's stylish, practical, and packed with technology, all while still undercutting the competition on price. It's a bold claim, but one that has the potential to shake up the market. All while still undercutting the competition on price. It's a bold claim, but if anyone can pull it off, it's Dacia. They've done it before, and they can do it again. With their track record of delivering value for money, the 2025 Dokker could very well be the van that brings Dacia back to the forefront of the market. Let's be honest, the old Dokker wasn't much of a looker. It was practical, sure, but it didn't exactly turn heads. It was the kind of vehicle you bought because you needed it, not because you wanted to show it off. It was a box on wheels. Functional, yes, but stylish? Not so much. The design was utilitarian, prioritizing function over form. It got the job done, but it didn't win any beauty contests. The 2025 Dokker, however, promises to be a different beast altogether. Dacia has taken a bold step forward, reimagining the Dokker with a fresh, modern design that aims to impress. Dacia has been on a roll lately, design-wise. Their recent models have shown a clear evolution in their design language, moving towards a more contemporary and appealing aesthetic. Their new models, like the Sandero and the Duster, are genuinely good-looking cars. These vehicles have set a new standard for what we can expect from Dacia, blending practicality with style. So, what can we expect from the new Dokker? Early indications suggest a vehicle that is not only functional but also visually appealing. It's a van that aims to break the mold. Spy shots suggest a more modern, sculpted design. The new Dokker appears to have a more aerodynamic shape with curves and lines that give it a dynamic presence on the road. Think sharp lines, a bold front grille, and maybe even some LED lighting. These elements combine to create a look that is both rugged and refined. A significant departure from the old boxy design. The iconic Dacia grille, with its imposing Dacia logo, will be present and correct. This signature feature ties the new Dokker to the rest of the Dacia family, ensuring brand continuity. But this time it will be flanked by sleek swept-back headlights. These headlights not only enhance visibility, but also add a touch of sophistication to the vehicle's front end. The overall effect is one of rugged sophistication. It's a van that looks ready for adventure, yet polished enough for city driving. It's still a van, obviously, but it's a van that doesn't mind being seen in public. Whether parked in an urban setting or cruising down the highway, it holds its own. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed in the name of aesthetics either. The new Dokker retains all the practical features that made the old model popular. The 2025 Dokker will retain its signature sliding side doors, making access to the rear a breeze. This feature is particularly useful for families and businesses alike, and rumors suggest an even larger rear hatch, making loading and unloading a dawdle. This improvement will be a boon for those who use the Dokker for transporting goods. The new Dokker is shaping up to be a van that can handle both the school run and a trip to the tip. Its versatility is one of its strongest selling points, and look good doing it. The 2025 Dokker is set to redefine what a van can be, combining practicality with a newfound sense of style. Now let's talk about the important stuff, space. When it comes to vans, cargo capacity is often the make-or-break factor for many buyers. Whether you're a small business owner, a family on the go, or someone who just loves the idea of having a mobile storage unit, the amount of space a van offers can significantly impact your decision. The original Dokker was no slouch in the cargo department. It offered a respectable amount of space that catered to a wide range of needs, from transporting goods to accommodating family trips. But the 2025 model is rumored to be even more capacious. This new iteration promises to push the boundaries of what we expect from a compact van. We're talking enough room to swallow a small family's worth of luggage, or a small elephant. Imagine going on a road trip and not having to worry about leaving anything behind because your van can handle it all. Maybe not a whole elephant, but you get the idea. The point is, the new Dokker is designed to offer unparalleled flexibility and convenience. But you get the idea. It's about having the freedom to carry what you need, when you need it, without compromise. Exact figures are still under wraps, but expect the new Dokker to offer a cargo volume of around 4 cubic meters. This is a significant upgrade that will likely appeal to a broad audience. That's more than enough space for most people's needs. Whether you're hauling groceries, sports equipment, or even small furniture, the Dokker has you covered, and it puts the Dokker right up there with its rivals. In a market where every cubic meter counts, this van stands tall. The Volkswagen Caddy, for example, offers around 3.2 cubic meters of cargo space. It's a solid competitor, but the Dokker edges it out. While the Ford Tourneo Connect comes in at around 2.9 cubic meters. Again, a respectable figure, but not quite on par with what the new Dokker is expected to offer. But it's not just about raw space. The way that space is utilized can make a world of difference. The 2025 Dokker is also rumored to feature a range of clever storage solutions. These innovations are designed to make your life easier and your cargo more secure. Think underfloor compartments, fold-flat seats, and maybe even a roof rack. These features add layers of versatility to an already impressive package. In other words, it's a van that's been designed by people who actually use vans, people who understand the real-world challenges and needs of van users. People who know that sometimes you need to carry more than just a few boxes of tissues. You need a van that can adapt to your lifestyle, whatever that may be. The new Dokker aims to be that van. Now let's talk engines. Don't expect any fire-breathing V8s here. The 2025 Dokker is all about efficiency and affordability. That means a range of small, punchy engines that sip fuel like a camel in the desert. The most likely candidate for the base model is a 1-liter turbocharged petrol engine. This little unit is expected to produce around 100 horsepower, which might not sound like much, but it should be more than enough to haul a full load of cargo. For those who want a bit more oomph, a 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine is also rumored to be on the cards. This engine is expected to produce around 130 horsepower, making it ideal for long motorway journeys or for those who regularly carry heavy loads. And then, there's the diesel. Yes, diesel is still a thing in 2025, especially in the world of vans. The 2025 Dokker is expected to be offered with a 1.5-liter diesel engine. This engine is expected to produce around 115 horsepower, and it should offer exceptional fuel economy, making it a great choice.